What's the meaning of Charles Laughton? Charles Laughton. Charles Laughton.
Charles Laughton. Charles Laughton. Charles Laughton was an English stage and film actor, screenwriter, producer, and director. He was born on July 1, 1899, and died on December 15, 1962. Laughton's career spanned over 3 decades, during which he appeared in numerous films and became known for his versatility and distinctive voice. He won an Academy Award for Best Actor for his role in the film The Private Life of Henry VIII, and also directed a number of successful films, including The Night of the Hunter. Laughton is considered one of the greatest actors of all time.